Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have a large Destash with this Cuttlebug embossing and die cutting machine. If you've ever heard of Cuttlebug, this is a fantastic machine. It has been discontinued. However, you can still purchase the plates for it. I'm not sure if you can use other plates in it, but I do know for a fact that they still are selling the Cuttlebug plates. They're selling them, I believe, at scrapbook.com. I know that they sell them on Amazon. You can find them on eBay. There's quite a few places when I searched that you can source these, and they're reasonably priced. This machine that I'm selling today does come with the plates that you need along with the manual. I also have a ton, I'm selling this as a bundle. I also have a ton of embossing folders. Most of them are new, some are used, and this machine is used very gently. It's only been used a handful of times. So let me take it out of the box to show you, and then we'll quickly go through. There's a lot of embossing folders that we'll go through. So I'm asking $115 for this entire bundle plus shipping. And unfortunately, I can only ship within the United States just because international shipping costs would be outrageous. So this will be shipped in its box. It comes with the manual and the cutting plates. Has the instructions. It comes with 2 B plates, an A and a C plate. And these plates, I believe, have only been used one time. They are in great condition, and like I said, you can still purchase these. So let me pull this out. The machine itself measures, these are just approximates. You can look it up and see. This is about 10.5 this way. Width is about 4.5, and it's about 8.25 tall. Let me give you a close-up look. The bottom suctions to your workstation when you open it. So when I say used, it has only been used a handful of times. Let me go ahead and open it up. So when you open it, as you can see, it's kind of, but when you open it, it suctions to your workstation, makes it durable. And let me, while I have the machine out, quickly demonstrate one of the embossing folders so you can see it. So let's go ahead and use this one. This one says happy birthday. I'm going to use a piece of cardstock here, and I do like to mist it with some clean water first. So I just misted it, just a quick mist. I'll put it in this. And instructions, I believe, it says here in the book, but I believe it's the A plate and sandwich it between 2 B plates. I used some thick cardstock here, and let's see how it turned out. Gorgeous. So you, of course, can flip it the other way, have it deboss. Beautiful. So let me go ahead, and these give off a glare, so let me set these aside. And I'll show you everything that is included with this bundle. Again, I'm asking $115 plus shipping. And if you want to, I'll leave my email address in the description box below. If you want to leave me a message with your zip code, I can give you an estimate on shipping. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through these since there's a lot of them. You can slow the video down by clicking on the gear button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And it'll slow my voice down, but it'll go through this video a little bit slower. So hopefully, if you need to slow it down to see a little bit better. But there's a lot here, so I do kind of want to go rather quickly. All of these here are brand new, never used. So we have Love Amore. If they have the picture, I'll show you those. This one is Cactus, I believe. Yeah, Cactus. Super cute, especially from Nevada, being from Nevada. This one is Halloween 3-pack. So it says trick or treat, happy Halloween, happy haunting. And these thin ones can be used on a card front. You can do the entire card front by moving them and running them through your embossing machine. And this can be used for die cuts as well. Or you can use it at the bottom of your card front, down the side, down the top of your card front. You would just position them in that way and run them through. We have flowers in a water can. This one is desserts. So it embosses the entire outside and the cupcakes. This one is with sympathy. So it embosses this outside frame and then the words with sympathy. Wedding dress. This one's gorgeous. This one is gems, which we have another one of these in here as well. Then we have Nature 3-pack. The little birds on a wire. This is beautiful. So again, you could use this at the bottom of a card, however you choose. This is paw print background. I love this one. So cute. This one is Give Thanks Verse Bold. So it says give thanks and celebrate your blessings. And this one is Succulents. Love this one. Okay, so now we have all of these as well. We have Sizzix Tiny Flowers, Sizzix Diagonals, and Sizzix Dashes. This one is a smaller one, so you can kind of see the difference. This one says with gratitude. Here's the happy birthday one we just used. We have this pattern. This is a really pretty flower pattern. This one's the little bird it says tweet. So some of these have been used. This is a banner with the birthday bird, his birthday hat on top. And a lot of these have never been used. This one's the monkeys, paisley. This one just says frame. This is really pretty flourish. We have this one, this one. This is really pretty. Could be for a large card front. This one is Retro Kitchen. We have the hot air balloons. This is the music notes, music background. We have this beautiful frame, oval frame with the flourish. Another one, ornate frame. This is the gems background that we saw in the package. Here's another beautiful frame. This is the jars, kitchen jars. Another beautiful frame. Here's the owls on a branch. I love this one. This one is this beautiful winter, it looks like a cardinal with the snowflakes. He's on a winter branch. So pretty. This is the chandelier. Love is in the air, I believe. Not sure how well you can see these. Now these are the larger ones to put them into context here. So we have the double. This is the little dolls that I'm sure you've seen. So cute. And lastly of these, we have this flower background. Then we have these here. So this one's by the Paper Studio. It embosses around, it says Merry Christmas. This one is Moroccan Screen. This one says Feel Better, Get Well Soon, Thinking of You, and the little coffee cup with a flower. We have Fancy Corners. This one is Victoria. These here are brand new. Whimsy. You get two of them, the front and the back. They're going to be different. So like here you got a different pattern on the front and on the back. This one too is brand new, Flora. This one is a Whimsy. It's the die and the embossing folder, brand new. Here's the design it cuts and embosses. So that's new. Let me get these here. Then we have We Are Memory Keepers. It's kind of a branch. Could be like a winter scene. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, that's a birch branch. You could see it a little bit better this way. Then we have this beautiful floral background. We have this one here. And then this is a 3D Crafter's Companion, Simply Sweet. It's that large bird cage. This might be a little tough to see. So pretty, brand new. Then we have these large ones by Anna Griffin and Cuttlebug. These measure about 12 inches. You can use those plates for them. You just need to move your plates. So you would emboss this side with your plates, move your plates to this side and emboss. So we have, I'll set these over here. I think these open on the side, I think if I open them, you can see the pattern a little bit better. So this one's called Brussels Lace. We have Flourish Card. Anna Griffin has the most beautiful designs. This one is Amelie Lace. This is a gorgeous lace design. Gosh, I don't think it's gonna quite pick it up. And Ribbon Flower. Then we also have this one. I don't know the name of it. It's a large peacock feather. So pretty. Then we also have these by Anna Griffin. These are the small ones, but like I said, they're actually large, but the width-wise, they're small. So these would go over a card front. You could either put them this way, run it through, and then move it, run it through, run it through, run it through, and then you'll get a full card front. Or you can put it down the side and just give yourself a border. You could put it at the bottom. You could put it at the top, however you want to do it. So we have all of these beautiful ones by Anna Griffin and Cuttlebug. These are all just different background designs. Then we have these little ones by Tim Holtz-Sizzix. This is the music notes, the skull and crossbones, and the bats. These are little compared to, like, say, these. We have the Fun Stamper's Journey. This is the Bright Star, so this is a large one with the background, the straight background. I'm not sure which this one is. And we have Stampin' Up! Floral Affection, brand new. Besides all of that, we still have all of these. So these are similar to the other ones. These are made by Cuttlebug, and we have all different sizes. These little containers do come with lids, but with the larger ones, they didn't fit in there. But I, of course, will make sure the lids are with it in case that's how you want to store them. So we have wording. This one says On Your Special Day. This one says Autumn Beauty, Happy Haunting, different ones like that. And then we have a lot of flourish, different designs. So we have all of these. I didn't count how many. There's a lot. This red one has XOXO, and then we have all of these as well. Like I said, there's some of them that do say, have wording, thinking of you, certain things like that. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description box. And I'll have more information in the description box if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.